In this video, I will show you how to fix the couldn't sign in error on the Google Play Store. First things first, let's start by accessing your device's settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up the settings page. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. In this section, look for a search button located at the top right corner. Tap on it and type Google Play Services, then hit search. From the search results, select Google Play Services. Now that you're on the Google Play Services page, scroll down slightly until you see an option labeled Storage. Tap on it. Next, tap on Clear Data. Tap on the Clear All Data button. After clearing data from Google Play Services, go back and now search for Google Play Store using that same search function. Once found, select it and scroll down again until you reach Storage. Just like before, tap on Clear Data, then confirm by tapping Delete when prompted. With both app caches cleared successfully, it's time to test if this resolves your issue. Try signing into your Google account again via the Google Play Store. If all goes well, you should be able to access everything without any issues. If not, there might be other underlying problems with your account or network connection that could require further investigation. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.